What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Qara's Kitchen, and today we are making some lamb chops with garlic and herb mashed potatoes and broccolini. So I'm going to start off by washing my meat, and I know everyone doesn't believe in washing their meat, but in this household we wash our meat, and this is how I'm doing it. I added a little bit of vinegar to some water and some lime juice, and I'm just going to let my meat soak a little bit, and while it soaks, I'm just going to trim the fat off as well and kind of scrub my meat, and this also helps make it tender as well. So after you clean your meat, wash it thoroughly with water and pat it dry. Then we're going to drizzle some olive oil and add our seasonings. Then we are going to massage that seasoning into our meat. I also went in with the Italian herb paste, but I forgot to record that part. But just add a little bit of that, and we're going to let that marinate for about 30 minutes. And while that's marinating, we're going to start on our mashed potatoes. And as you can see, I am using red potatoes for this recipe. I like to keep the skin on. I'm just taking off the defective parts, the eye of the potato. That's what they call it. And we're going to put that in a pot of water with some salt, and we're going to let that go until they get fork tender. So I'm not really doing anything special with the broccolini, just saute them in a pan until they're tender. And as you can see, I'm going to take a little bit of that garlic and herb butter and fry my lamb chops in that until they're well done. So while my lamb chops are cooking, I'm just going to finish up my potatoes. I'm going to use my potato masher, add in some of that garlic and herb butter. And I'm going to use the same seasonings that I use for the lamb chops. And I'm also going to go in with some garlic, whipping cream, and a 4 cheese blend. I also decided to go in with some ranch seasoning just to set it apart from the lamb chops. After everything is done, you should have something that look like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share this video with a friend, and I will see you in my next video.